Question 26 is pretty straightforward. It's just a simple solving. They've added the bracket to take it up to a grade C problem. So the first thing I'm going to do is deal with this bracket and expand it. I like to draw the lines just to help me remember what I'm doing, and I'm going to multiply along those lines. So 3 times x is 3x, 3 times a negative 2 is negative 6, and on the right hand side we've got nothing to do apart from rewrite it. Now we have a problem where there are x's on both sides and number terms on both sides also. I would always advise you to get rid of the x's onto one side first, and because this has the least amount, it makes sense to get rid of these. So I've got a positive x. If I minus an x from this side, I've got to do it to both sides because they're equal. They've got to stay balanced. So that's 2x minus 6 equals 7. Now the letters are on one side. These actual numbers, these number terms, must be on the other side. So I need to get rid of anything on here. To get rid of minus 6, I have to add 6. Add 6 to both sides, and we get this. Now, this question, the reason it's at the end of your paper is because 2 is not a factor of 13. And it confuses a lot of people. A lot of people think they've made a mistake when they get this, but sometimes towards the end, it's likely that you haven't. To find, well, if 2x's are worth 13, then 1x, if we divide it by 2, we get 13 over 2, which is an acceptable answer, or 6.5. And in fact, it would probably been easier. How many 2's go into 13? Well, 6.5, which I'm sure you know is the same as 6.5. So any of these three answers are perfect to get your third and final mark.